Hi guys, it's Ray. Today we have 8 bucks from the Washi Tape Shop. If you remember last year sometime they sent me some gorgeous tapes and they asked me if I would like some more. And I said, yes, of course, absolutely. And this is like in conjunction with the fact that they now have an Etsy shop as well. So their website is the Washi Tape Shop. Their Etsy is Tape by WT. I'll put it down here. That's all one word, just so you know, so you can find it. Because if you search Washi Tape Shop, you're going to get a whole bunch of things come up. And I will get links to both in the description box as well. But they sent me, I believe, 9 tapes. So here's my box. And I'll move you over and we'll do a face down view and open these all up. But this is how they always come packaged. Super cute. So this one is the Mosaic Radiance Wide PET. And then we have, this is so pretty. This is the Frost Bloom Wide PET. You can see they're different widths. This one is Monet's Garden Wide PET. This I absolutely love. This is just an example of what's going to be on here, but they are stunning. This one is the Spring Serenade Wide PET. This one has a ton of birds on it, which is fantastic. This one is the Cobalt Blue Wide PET. I'm going to switch these so I can start putting these back in the box. This one is Pink Ballet Wide PET. And then we have the Floral Chronicles Wide PET, which this one is like any steampunk lover's dream. And next up we have the Blush Wide PET. More pale pastel florals. And last we have the, this is a whole set. This is the Year of the Dragon washi tape set. I believe these are not going to be PET. I think it might have also come in a PET version. But this is a full set with like a wide one, 2, and then a skinnier one. So we're going to get over here. I'm going to open them all up and we'll stretch them out to their full repeat. Because if you recall, these have a very long repeat. Okay, so I have you turned around. The problem is going to be once I open these, I'm not going to remember which was which. So, but these are the Year of the Dragon, and these are in fact a washi, like a standard washi tape. And these have tape, okay. So, you know, a regular washi. These I will definitely be using for junk journaling. But we'll start with this guy. So he'll be our first on repeat when we get to the one with the green flowers again. So I think we just have 3 dragons on this one. Yes. So that'll be the repeat on this one. They all vary. But we have that guy. Bear with me, guys. That's really pretty. That bird is stunning. So that's going to be our repeat on this one, the 3 birds. And then our skinny tape. Oh, I'm ripping the bottom layer. Oops. So let's pretend I didn't rip that. This is just kind of a border repeat. So that is those. You can try and save the bottom tags off of these if you want to label like inside your roll. Or you can just jot it down on a paper or something and mark the inside of your roll. I kind of gave up on that. But I mean, like, you can try and save the stickers. This is kind of what I mean. If you needed it to reference what the roll was. Let's look at this steampunk one next. So these are the PETs, all the rest of them, I believe. I like these because you can use them over your epoxy resin projects. Not just for junk journaling or whatever. That's the reason I prefer these to the standard tapes. So you'll see they're a clear background and they're printed on white. So big old clock, wreath, another clock, feathers and chains and little, you know, metallic accents, some gears, bird, more gears. I'm trying to remember what the repeat is. And I'm still not to the repeat. This will be the repeat. So that is like 3 feet of gorgeous, gorgeous steampunk floral bird print. But this is how long these repeats are. I mean, I can't get it all under the camera. So this one is fantastic. Let's go with this one next, the Mosaic Radiance. I love the colors on this one. So I'm looking for that big teal circle. This is like a very vintage, festive tile vibe. What was it called? Mosaic Radiance. And that's the repeat on that one. You know what? I'm just going to lay them up here. This is the pink ballet wide. These are gorgeous florals. Pink with little pops of red. Absolutely stunning. And I believe that was our repeat points. Nope. My bad. This one. It didn't have any red, but it was very similar. So, pink ballet. Monet's Garden. This one I'm very excited for. I think this will be great for trays or coasters or junk journaling. Because this is going to be like all individual scenes on the tape of, you know, you guessed it, Monet. So, watercolor paintings. Look at that one. That is so pretty. Love that color on that one. And I believe that is my repeat point. Yes. So, a lot of options here. So I think that would be nice on coasters or trays. Frost Bloom. So according to this, it's going to be pinks, blues, creams. And these look like a larger floral print, which will be nice. Oh yeah, look at how beautiful these are. And a lot of you know, foliage. Individual elements. I love this almost laced detail snowflake in the background. I think that was my... I don't know. I think this is my repeat, actually. Yes. So that is those. This one is blush. So more pinks. Let's see what we've got in this one. This is gorgeous with these like sagey green accents. And I think that is my repeat points. Yes. So these are stunning. The pale pink and the pale green. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is the cobalt. This is the one that I'd been hoping to use on that book that I poured. Which I now think it's going to be, the book is going to be too dark for these. This is a stunning blue, though. And you guys can't see it, but these are kind of textured. Look at this massive one. That's going on a tray. Absolutely. I mean, you could do a full, like, tray and coaster set. Matching. Not where I started with this. Okay. There's another chunky one. And that brings me back to my repeat. Some little individual elements. I like that these generally have like a big piece and then some smaller elements you can add in as you want. But I do think this is, it would work on the book. Well, the book's right here. I'll just grab the cover. But I think they're going to disappear too much. So I'm going to rethink that. But I do think we're going to pour a tray to put that big piece on. And last but not least is the Spring Serenade. Which I'm excited to see this one. Look at all the birdies. That one's so cute. I can't even see all of it yet, and it's so cute. This one, I love it. I absolutely love it. So birds and butterflies. Oh, and some dragonflies. Yay. I didn't even know those were going to be on there. So these ones are a little bit smaller scale, which is good because you can use, you know, multiple elements. Oh, little bee. Parrot, that's kind of funny. Definitely not a spring bird here, but a lot of these are. This one's lovely too. And this is my repeat, so tons and tons and tons on here. So we're definitely going to pour some trays, maybe some coasters, and use these on those in the coming time. I've got all of this I need to deal with. But yeah, new washies from the Washi Tape Shop. Like I said, if you're a steampunk person, you're going to want this one for sure. So that is it. This is my mess now, plus all of my paper cleanup over here. But gorgeous, gorgeous selection. Thank you so much, Washi Tape Shop. And like I said, I will post the links down below. If you haven't, check it out.